Hello, guys, and I will be riding my private jet to Perth International to Brookhaven. First, I need check-in.
Name, please.
Lincoln Gifford.
Okay, let me type that in. To Brookhaven.
Yep.
Okay. I will print out your boarding pass right now. Here you go, sir, and enjoy your flight.
Thank you. I'll just go sit down.
Okay.
I'll just do a few laps.
Attention all passengers to gate 9. Your bus is now here. Lincoln Gifford?
Uh-huh.
All right. We'll get you to your gate momentarily, okay?
Okay.
Your white private jet?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Your private jet isn't here yet. It's weird.
Are we just gonna go back?
Yeah, hold on. I think your plane will be arriving in a minute, because we have to stand clear from the plane for when it taxis to us, okay?
Okay.
Come back in around 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right. Beep, beep, beep. Just go have a seat, and we'll be with you momentarily, okay?
Bye-bye. I wonder when it will be here.
Attention all passengers for Lincoln private jet. You can now board the bus again. Sorry about the inconvenience. Attention all passengers, welcome back. And the jet is there for you, Lincoln. As you can see, there is a presidential aircraft right next to yours. As you can see, if you look to your left from the airplane. Alright, enjoy your flight.
This is the best.
Attention all passengers, aka just Lincoln. Welcome aboard the flight. This should be around a 12-hour flight to Brookhaven. We thank you for flying with us, and yeah, we'll be in our taxi momentarily. Just get situated, and let us know when you're ready. Okay?
Okay.
Oh wait, hold on. I gotta go check the engines. Alright, we're back. Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright. If you look out the window, you can see that we're taxiing.
I can also see the presidential.
Airplane?
Yeah.
Yes.
If you look the other way, you can only see the bus.
Yeah.
The airplane, the bus. Right here.
So, Lincoln,
Yeah.
how's your day today?
Good.
Nice. We just gotta wait for this taxi car to move. Or pushback car. And we'll be on our way. During landing, they're gonna ask for all electronics to be put away. Because Brookhaven's airport has a strict policy that doesn't allow us to film inside of the airport, okay? So once you exit the airport, you can start filming again, okay? Is that clear?
Yep.
Alright.
Unless they don't want to. Hey, I can still see the presidential airplane. The bus is gone. And now the airplane is gone.
Attention all passengers, make sure your seatbelts, tray tables, and seats are all in upright lock position. As we begin to take off,
This is cool. getting really hot.
You can see the ocean now.
Yeah, I would like some peanuts.
Would you like anything to eat or drink today, sir?
Can I have some peanuts?
No problem. Anything to drink today at all, sir?
No.
Okay. Hello, sir. Hello. Would you like anything to eat today, sir? Okay. Here are your peanuts and your drink, sir. Enjoy.
Thanks. That was very good peanuts.
Attention, Lincoln. We are about to come into landing to Brookhaven. Attention passengers, as we enter the country of Brookhaven, please turn off all cameras until you exit the airport.
So I'm getting my luggage here at Brookhaven. That was good playing. Thank you.
Hello, sir. Is your name Lincoln Gifford?
Yes.
Gifford? Follow me this way, sir.
In here?
Yes.
Thank you for watching. If you want a part 2, comment down below.